Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform your tables from this to this. You can achieve these beautiful results in several ways, through our user-friendly edit modal or by using code, depending on your specific needs. In this video, I'll walk you through all the features of our new table styling. Let's say you're working on your dashboard and want a specific table visualization to really stand out from the others. Take this example table here. Simply click on Edit, navigate to the Styles tab, and voila! You'll notice we've recently updated the interface with these powerful new styling options. First, you can select a primary color theme for your table. Notice how it automatically maps the color hue to different shades to ensure excellent readability. Over here, you can adjust the text and spacing options. Whether you prefer a spacious layout or something more compact, just choose the preset that works best for you. We've also included borders style configurations that let you customize which parts of your table have borders. Once you're happy with your changes, just click Save and you're all set. That's how you can quickly style any table on the fly. But what if you want to make more detailed adjustments? We can totally achieve this via code. For example, this table looks good, but I'd like to hide the banding to create an even cleaner look. No problem at all. Simply click on Show in Code Editor and locate the table property here. This table section contains all the styling information for this block in the code version of your dashboard. We offer more detailed styling attributes for advanced use cases like this one. To remove the banding, just add this line, banding color transparent. And there you go, banding gone. There are many other styling options available here, so be sure to check out our documentation to make the most of it. You can also style your tables at the themes level. This means you can define table styling in any custom theme you create, ensuring consistent styling across all table visualizations. For example, here we have a custom theme called Orange that doesn't yet have any table styles defined. As you can see, all the tables currently have the default design. What I'm going to do is go to the themes definition and create an orangey design specifically for our orange theme tables. Now when we go back to the dashboard file, you'll notice that all the tables are instantly updated with the new orangey design. And that's how you style tables in Holistics. Check our documentation for more styling options. Have fun creating tables that make your dashboards shine.